Hey everyone, Trent here at Precision Transmission. We got a 07 Dodge with a 48 RE transmission. It's got an ATS tranny in it. I'm not sure what stage. I think he said it did have a the 5-disc lockup converter, but I think this thing is fried. I think this my dad wanted us to show us a couple things. Look at this oil.
It come in with erratic shifting and stuff like that, and I told him it's probably really contaminated with metal, so we'll get ready.
Oh my God. Are they contaminated? Just a little bit.
Yes.
Wow.
That is just, I'm going to get the pan. I'll do it real quick too so you can look in the pan. You got the part?
Yep, you did. Wow. Yeah, it did have erratic shifting. I actually remember driving this one. If you would hold the gas on 3/4 way, it would just bypass third and go on to fourth and lock up. But after it warmed up, coming to a stop, it would actually try to engage the lockup converter, and it was throwing like what, a TCC solenoid code or something like that, but also could be mechanical. And as y'all guys can tell by the way the fluid's looking, looks like we might be having a mechanical issue here. Get the pan off and see what we got. You got one up front over here still. ATS, if y'all don't know, they do paint these things nice and pretty purple. Nice deep pan, always recommended. ATS deep pan, recommended, yeah. Nothing else.
They got the best pan.
Yeah, I mean, BD does have a nice pan. The magnetic, or I can't remember what the other pan is. You got it on yours. It's a decent pan too. Is that the last one?
Okay.
Somebody's stuck on that. Looks like we got a new front drive shaft in these things. These things, some of the older models, the drive shaft, they're locked in and engaged all the time. So these things are always spinning when you go down the road. And this double knuckle will go out and cause issues with breaking off the overdrive housing, breaking the transfer case off the back of the transmission. A couple things in that perspective. You gonna be able to handle that, sir? Okay. He's gonna take this bad boy down. They're not light. And it doesn't look good.
No, it's just full of metal.
Nope. Let me get a little scrape in there. Let me get a little scrape. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's caked. That's a good 16th inch. But
yeah. Filter's all plugged up. Stuff like that. Band adjustment's a little loose on second gear. Reverse feels a little loose too, but this don't have band failure, nothing like that. It's physically got a mechanical failure. Probably converter failure. I imagine that's usually what happens to these things. So we'll get back hold of the customer, see what he wants to do, and we'll go from there. Hopefully we'll get to build him a really nice unit.
Tell this man happy birthday, by the way. He turned 60 today.
Yeah, oh my gosh. Feels good though.
Yeah.
Don't feel it like it at all.
That's good.
So,
that's good.
Stay tuned. Y'all have a good day.
Thank you.